Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today I have a dilemma, and I mean a dilemma. Dory's Dollies and I each month do an Amaya Raine Day, which is each month on the 3rd, we pick a theme and everyone shows their uh, Rainbow High or Shadow High dolls to that theme. Well, this month's theme is show us your favorite Rainbow High doll or Shadow High doll. Oh my God. I have several favorites, and let me show you why. I love these two girls because I love the lime green. I happen to have this polar fleece, and I made her this little coat and beret with the scarf. I love her. This one is really special because I met with Allison, and you may remember the channel Gilly the Monster, and I've met Allison a couple times, but this particular time I had her do an autograph on my doll. This doll looks like her. This is her mini-me. And then, of course, my purple-haired little Violet there, she's one of my favorites. And then in the background with the black and rainbow hair, oh my God, I can't even remember their names. I love them. I have so many. So who are my favorite? Well, let Darren show you a little bit of how many. This is just some of my Rainbow High dolls. I absolutely love these dolls. Love, 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 love these dolls. I collect in and out of boxes. I started taking my Rainbow High dolls out of the boxes when I decided that, I wasn't really doing anything with them. And when I do, I open the box. But before that, I don't. These are Poopsie Surprise dolls. This is Amaya Raine right here. These are the predecessors to the Rainbow High dolls. I have quite a collection, and I have more out in the studio and then more in the dining room also. When I say I love, I don't even know if you can show all those back there. And then I have a bunch in the doll room. This is my doll nook. I also have a doll room that is a helter-skelter mess. How would I pick a favorite? I do love her. I love a doll with green hair and pink hair and blonde hair and red hair. I love them all. I have some of the holiday, these were a special edition, and I have several of those. There were 4 in the series. I have all 4 times at least 3, I think.
It's hard to film because these are in a narrow stretch here, and the floor is covered in dolls standing on either side of the aisleway.
Are you telling on me?
No, I'm just saying you've got dolls on the floor too as part of your display.
There's a bunch of boxes of Rainbow High down there. How am I going to pick a favorite, y'all? Let me show you one of my favorite things that MGA did do with these dolls. I love these Shadow High dolls. This was the first edition Shadow High. They came out in black and white and 3 shades, I think it was 3 shades of gray, the gradation. And I told everybody then, if you're a doll collector, these dolls are worth collecting. They're different, they're fun, they're a gradation. And I have a few in the box. I have a stack of these in the other room. I bought extra of these. A funny story, Darren and I actually found these early, before anybody else had them in their store. We found them for $20 a doll. Didn't we get 2 of each, I think?
Yeah, on the weekend they released.
Yeah, it was the weekend they released. And Darren used the restroom in Walmart and found them on the back end cap for $20, and we just got a cart and started filling it up. So I would say that these are my favorite series of Rainbow High, Shadow High dolls, and I will just leave it at that. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see your favorite and how you pick them out. This is a really fun challenge. Thank you, Dory. I can't wait to see your favorite. If you did a video today, would you please leave that in my comments so that I'm sure to see your dolls. I'll be out on the lawnmower, so I'll be there late today, but I can't wait to see. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and join us for our Thursday night lives at 6 p.m. Central.